Hi guys, Julia here. So we are about to head out to some plant sales that we have in the neighborhood this weekend. We have two beautiful public gardens in our area. One is a Vleck House and Gardens in Montclair. It's a beautiful garden. They have a lot of rhododendrons and conifers and very formal gardens. So I may do like a tour at some point. But their plant sale is really great because there are a lot of rare plants there. And another plant sale is at Presby Iris Gardens. And that garden is one of the biggest gardens in the world for iris collection. I think it's the biggest garden in the nation for iris collection. But they have master gardeners plant sale there yearly, and it is a really good one. So I also am thinking I'm going to stop by farmer's market. That farmer's market has some plants there sometimes. I am not looking for anything in particular except for the window box that we have in the front of the house and the pots by the kitchen door. So I'm looking for some bright color. I may not find it, but whatever. Let's see. Anyway, let's get started.
This one with a pot of thing of plants in it.
Hello.
Good to see you. Nice to see you. Brothers, good to see you.
Okay, we're here for tomatoes.
Well, we got lots of tomatoes, lots of different kinds.
Okay. All right, so this basil here is apparently resistant to mildew. So any of the ones that you see here, because we had major mildew issues last year and the year before. This looks delicious. Check out this coleus here. So from what I heard, these coleus were all grown by the master gardeners, and some from seed and some from cuttings. But look at this. This is very helpful. Key to plant prices. Look at the view. So pretty. So in a couple of weeks, all of these irises, you can see the labels, they all will be blooming. I'll probably be back for a tour. Don't you just love when people put labels, like with all of the information for the plants? And you know which one's a native. Mike, we're gonna have to grab some coleus. All right, which ones? Do you like the lime ones? You like this? All right, there we go. I like the red ones too. Look at this color here. I don't know, I also really like this one. Chocolate mint. These two actually look very good together.
Yeah, I need some help, but not that you can give me. I need some psychological help. But thank you.
I am gonna take this one here. Oh, this one has little holes
Right
in it.
next to it.
This one, right? Okay.
Don't forget, you want to go to Von Fleck.
I know. I think we're good. This is our selection. Check out these hanging baskets. Oh my word. Oh, this salvia color, you guys. This is crystal blue, and it definitely shows. I'm gonna grab one of these.
No, I'm gonna do
Come here, little friend. All right, so this is the shade plants, and this polemonium is calling my name. It's gorgeous. All right, look at this cool idea of planting your vegetables in colanders. How cool is that? Drainage holes provided. So you guys, I took the sample of some flowers from my garden because I like these colors for the window box. So I'm gonna try to match them with the flowers that they have here. So these are pretty close. Super Bells, Great Punch. So a lot of times when you really love something in your garden and you want kind of the same color composition, just grab a flower, put it in a plastic bag to make sure like you don't spread any diseases or anything, and try to match it. Oh, pulmonaria, check out these leaves. And the bloom, this one is pink, but I have a blue one in the garden. The Jacob's Ladder I also have, which is beautiful. Oh my word, check out this thing here. It is beautiful. So soft. These are just beautiful. I like this one. This is the angel wing. Oh, so pretty. Alright guys, I hope this was interesting for you, and I apologize for some of the audio. My microphone died in the middle of shooting, so anyway, it wasn't working. And then also every time I would walk in the garden, there would be some people I know, of course, because you know, plant people all know each other and they go to the same things, so there was a lot of like socialization obviously, but it's fun. Anyways, I'm gonna be planting the plants that we got today in the following few videos, or maybe later, I'm not sure, I haven't scheduled that yet. So I hope this was okay, and if you have any questions or comments, post them in the comment sections below, and I'll see you next time. Bye.